Hi, have you ever heard a counselor talk about gardening? Hi, well, I'm counselor Dr. Greg Jantz, founder of the center. I just want to talk a little tad bit about gardening and its role. That's right, growing things and the role in trauma recovery. And this is something that is unique, but I want to look at there is a connection between nature and healing, and nature as therapy. Studies do show that if we spend time in nature, we can reduce stress, some anxiety, and it's used oftentimes in hiking and outdoors with treatment with post-traumatic stress disorder. And we know that outside nature can be grounding and calm. And so this is what gardening's about, a way to get us in connection with the ground, the earth, and to be calming. And it does, for many, help calm the nervous system. And this is something that it's worth putting on the list to do. Physical activity with purpose. That's what gardening is. Physical activity with purpose. It does provide some gentle physical engagement. And we do know that gardening is a symbol of growth. You see trauma to transformation, you see planting, seeds, growth, and this is the whole process of nurturing. It has a mirror to the emotional growth. We know that it can help rebuild trust. Trauma leaves us feeling unsafe, and the predictability of the rhythm of nature is a part of that stability that helps rebuild some trust. Okay, hands in the soil, mind at rest. Is a term that sometimes is used. Engaging our senses through gardening can soothe anxiety and provide healthy distraction from rumination. Healthy distraction from rumination. Practical benefits of gardening: routine and structure. Gardening requires regular care, helps us restore a sense of purpose and rhythm, and there is a connection to life. Watching something grow kind of under your care can rebuild feelings of worth and really capability. Isn't that interesting? Gardening as a connection to life. There is a visual healing. Beauty has a quality about it, growth, green, the visual healing. So, a couple ways to get started. Give it a try. Start small. Even the window planters, we know that just letting the process of plants and gardening grow, you could use it as a reflection. Maybe it's a time to begin even a journal. So, and then there's what we call symbolic plants, finding meaning in plants that reflect a healing journey. Lavender, for one, reflects calm. Sunflowers, maybe, and I grew up with a lot of sunflowers where I grew up. Sunflowers for resilience. So gardening is just one of those things to add to the list of things to do for healing as it relates to trauma and personal growth.